Hey up, we're back and without a plan again, this time due to the weather. After 2 days of tropical storms hitting the area, we're really not sure what is a safe route to do. There is definitely an awful lot more water flowing down the side of Fushimi Rindo than usual. Monju Nakane, up there. We are aware that because of the storms over the last couple of days, a few trees have fallen down on Mount Kongo. The safest route on this side of the mountain is probably the Fushimi Rindo, but I don't think we're going to do that today. We could turn left here for the Dani route, but I reckon it'll be too slippery today. Although the Fushimi Rindo would probably be our safest option for today, I'm pretty sure we're going to do one of our wet weather favourites instead. The route that we almost did last week. Ne? Huh?
Yes.
I think today we are going to do the HosoO Dani. Yes, we are. We're leaving the Fushimi Rindo here at the waterfall. Do you think it looks stronger today? I would say that today is by far the most humid walk we've had this year. I am sweating buckets. And here we are at the bridge. Up to the left there is the Umanose, and again we're going over the bridge. Sorry, Papa Days. We are doing the HosoO Dani this week. Same face as last week. Another one? Doesn't look very happy. Is it even greener and more overgrown than last week? I think it might be. And just ahead here is the point where we decided to play rock, scissors, paper last week, which meant we left the HosoO Dani and went up there along the Katakuri route. Today we are continuing this way though. Today we started our walk much later than usual, and that's because not only has it been raining constantly for the past couple of days, but when we woke up this morning it was also pouring it down, and we weren't really sure whether we should even bother coming. I'm glad we did though. Not slippery. Less slippery than I thought it would be. Going round again. I think I tried to go under last time, didn't I, and bumped my head. I'll just go around like everyone else this time. You alright? Ooh. Tree's a bit slippery though, isn't it? Whoops. I'll go up this way. Mrs. Days is coming that way. The humidity has arrived. I am so sweaty. And my glasses keep steaming up. It was definitely a good idea that we decided to wear our boots today and not our walking shoes. Very wet now. And here we're about to begin our favourite bit. I wonder how wet it is today after all that rain. Oi! Oops. Mrs. Days is not concerned about Jay slipping. Nothing to worry about here. Not really as wet as I expected it to be. I thought the water might be much deeper. This section certainly seems to have a lot more water flowing than usual, don't you think? I'm pretty sure this section's usually almost dry. You're going to leave the stream to the left here. Yeah. You ready to duck down under the trees? Bollocks. He's down!
You alright?
Yes. Thank you for your concern.
Oh.
You alright?
Thank you for your concern.
Yeah. Just like the last time that we walked up the HosoO Dani, there's a lot of lovely birds giving us a nice soundtrack again. I don't think any of these trees are freshly fallen trees, do you?
I don't think so.
Nah. Although this trail is definitely a lot wetter after the storm, I don't think I've seen any additional damage caused by it yet. Have you? Oh. This is the point where the trail splits in two. You can either, as most people do, go up that way, or you can go behind that tree there. Which do you fancy today? Clearly, she wants a rest. So today we're not taking the lesser used route behind this tree here. We're going up the most used route here. As always, go around, not up the obstacle. Around the tree I go, whoosh, and slip. You're going to go around again. No point climbing it. Dani? You alright? We know that a tree has fallen on the Chihaya Honda, and we know that a bit of the Fushimi Rindar has collapsed. We're not really sure where any other damage may be. Proper hardcore storms for the last couple of days, wasn't it? This is basically the last part of the HosoO Dani. We have two fallen tree obstacles to manoeuvre around, and then we'll join the path that connects the old ropeway station site to the Hiroba. You confused? I suppose I'll go the same way. No, can't go under that. Thought I could fit under, but it wasn't that stretchy. Easily enough done. One more hurdle. This time are you going to go up the left side or the right side?
Right side.
That's what I did last time, I think. It was very easy. A lot more simple and less slippery than it looks. Very, very easy. We'll see you at the top. And here we are back at Katsuragi Shrine on the top of Mount Kongo, 1,125 metres. For some reason, there's no date board today. Probably due to the dodgy weather. As is tradition, we're now heading down the lantern line path to Temporinji, where we'll say hello to the cow. And for the 95th time, let's check out the view from Kongo Sancho Hiroba. The sky is bluer than expected. Can't see anything though. We have now run into some damage on our way down the Monju Naka-one. There's a fallen tree. Easy enough to get past. No problem for Mrs. Days.